another snowstorm. We're actually talking like 7 or 8 inches. Probably got about 4 right now. Been snowing pretty much since lunchtime. It is 6 o'clock, so a good 6 hours of, you know, at first it was just kind of sleety rain, ick. Now it's, you know, full-blown snow. Just leaving work. Another long and exciting day. Got some slowpoke in front of me here. Doesn't want to go fast. Kind of takes the fun out of it. But yeah, just haven't had a lot of snow this year. Kind of weird. Which I guess is okay, but as dry as it was last year, we can definitely use the moisture to make up for it. So I'm not complaining about it. It's wet, packy snow. If today was Friday, I'd make a snow fort tomorrow, but I'm not going to have time. And check that out. That guy just wiped out. Right in the middle of the intersection. Way to go, buddy. Yeah, got all of it. Maybe I'll leave the camera on. You never know, I might see more fun stuff. It is greasy, I will say that. I mean, it's that wonderful, slimy, wet, packy snow. It's coming down at a pretty good clip, too. It's not really showing up in my camera, I see, but it is snowing. Alright, right now I'm going to turn you off. We'll come back to more excitement, I'm sure. Alright, I figured I better jump on the freeway. There's just way too many pokey people on the back roads. I mean, it's bad, but it's not that bad. But it's not worse going 25 miles an hour. That's just crazy. So at least now I can cruise along at 50. But it is definitely greasy out there, I'll say that. Snowing pretty good. Alright, we're not done. Figured I hit some back roads in town here. I wouldn't say back roads, I should say, you know, city streets. Definitely not, you know, there's a lot of snow on the ground up here. Actually, quite a bit. I'd say there's all 7 inches. I don't know why this guy here doesn't want to go fast at all. He's got one of them spark big noogans that don't like snow. And of course, you don't drive right down the middle of the road, so I can't get around him. Thanks, buddy. Must be his first time driving. So I don't take the city streets. This is what you end up with, people who can't drive. Yeah, we'll get there. It's just going to take a lot longer, that's all. At the rate, we're going 5 miles an hour, which is extremely slow. The truck is idling and it's catching them. Oh, what fun. Alright, buddy. Pull out. You can do it. There you go. Good for you. I'm proud. And we got a big old semi coming. But yeah, quite a bit of snow out there. This is probably it. Later, fellers. Yeah, there's quite a bit of snow here. This hasn't been plowed yet. I'd say there's all of, yeah, it's a good 5-6 inches in spots. But we made it in the old 2-wheel drive beast. Fun, fun.